Hi guys, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to easily identify your garage locks and keys. So like a few of my subscribers, you've probably got a few bikes in the garage. You run into this problem every time you want to unlock them. I've got 1, 2, 3 padlocks and they all use the same design and keys. So every time I'm unlocking the bikes, faffing about trying to find which is which. So today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to speed up the unlocking process, spending more time on the road. So with the padlocks removed, you can now see that I've got 3 identical keys for 3 identical locks. Obviously they are different in the combination that unlock them. So I'm going to show you now what you're going to need to start easily identifying these. So to start identifying, you're just going to need to get yourself down to an electrical wholesalers. I've gone for yellow, red and blue tape, and I've also gone with the same in the heat shrink. Now heat shrink's pretty cool stuff. Once you heat it up, it will go around half the thickness and it all makes sense when I start putting this together. So we'll start by wrapping the padlocks in the selected colour. So you should now be looking at your padlocks with your electric tape identification colour on there. So it's obviously important now to know which key goes in where, so check that before we move to the next step. So you're now going to want to take your heat shrink strips and you're going to need to cut a length off of about 2 or 3 mil. It doesn't need to be very large at all of each colour. So you now should have 3 little bands that are ready to slide over the key. And finally, just to stop this band sliding off, all you need to do is take a little bit of heat and the heat shrink will bond around it. And there we have it guys, keys are now easily identifiable, and with the tape and the heat shrink it should last for years. I can't see that coming off anytime soon, but if it does it's obviously easy to replace. And if you do have more than 3 padlocks, you can obviously mix your colours, so you could have a red and blue tag one. Really you could make so many combinations, it just makes it so much easier to identify the locks, especially when you're unlocking the bike to go out for that ride. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a subscribe please guys, it'd be much appreciated to keep us doing what we're doing. Thanks.